Welcome to a brand new section in this course. So in this particular section, we'll be focusing on mainly the App Engine part of Google Cloud Console.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
Okay, and understanding the entire App Engine and the cycles revolving around the App Engine is very important for an aspiring cloud developer or a data scientist. Okay, so then in this particular section, we'll first of all be understanding what Google Cloud App Engine actually is. We'll also be understanding how content delivery networks actually work. Then we'll understand how to develop a particular application on a cloud. Okay, so now this section will not be a lot different from what we have done previously, where we were writing code on a terminal console or a command line console. But the main difference will be that this time we'll also be considering to deploy our app. So now whenever you are looking at a particular program or a particular console, then it is dependent onto a particular machine. So up till now what we have done, we have established a compute engine or a compute instance, and then on that particular instance we have written some code, and then by looking at that particular code we have then established some running frameworks like TensorFlow and Python, and then we have executed the code. Okay, so this particular execution is dependent onto that particular compute engine and even the speed at which the compute engine is running, or the hardware specifications of that particular compute engine. But unlike that particular case, now we'll also be considering deploying our app. And after we have deployed the app, we don't have direct control to the command line of that particular application. So deployment is a fairly complicated process, but it is the most logical process if you were to look at how you are going to scale a particular app structure for 1,000,000 users. Because currently if you have a compute engine and if you want to scale it to 1,000,000 users, then you need 1,000,000 compute engines or 1,000,000 instances of one particular compute engine, which is not the most efficient way of tackling the problems. So that is why from now on we'll be focusing on to the deployment aspect or the request aspect or the app aspect of the particular cloud model. Okay, so then the outcomes of this particular section are building a basic project in App Engine. Then we'll be deploying that project using various gcloud commands. Then we'll understand what is meant by various HTTP or HTTPS requests, and that is the de facto way in which current communication between two different computers actually work. Then we'll test the app using Postman, which is a tool to monitor HTTP requests. Okay, so we have a lot of different tasks for this particular section, and this is a very important turning point in any course related to cloud computing, where you move from a console and towards deployment. And deployment is a professional aspect of cloud computing, where whenever you look at any large scale projects, then deployment is a part to which a lot of attention is paid. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the section introduction of this particular section on introduction to Google App Engine, and let's see you on the other side.